been ordered. Now, you think about a crock and your first thought is, well, do I use it for utensils? Yes. Can I bake in it? Well, sure, it's stoneware. Can I put punch in it for a party? I hope you will. I'll come if you do. And then can I put a bottle of wine in it and fill it with ice and make it an ice bucket? Yes, 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 and yes. You can do all those things. Now, we're super excited to be able to have this for you. Shipping on the 27th of July, or excuse me, of September, I should say. And over half the quantity we brought in is already gone. So many of you are saying, you know what? I want a part of this lifestyle brand. I want all these cool items in my home. The holidays are approaching. Autumn will be here soon. Before we know it, it'll be Halloween, Thanksgiving, and then right into the Christmas and Hanukkah holidays. Don't miss out on any of these opportunities. We've got so many good things for you to choose from. Now, let's quickly take a look. Well, let's first invite in the lady of the hour, the president and CEO of Temp-tations, the chief designer. My dear friend, Tara Tesher joins us now live. Miss Tara, great to have you back as always. A whole hour together. We don't get this opportunity very often.
Never. I'm sure it was probably written somewhere that we weren't allowed to do this. So I'm glad that no one was watching and we're able to do that. And I love, David, that we're starting off with this amazing Store and More and all of those great colors, including some seasonal that you guys haven't seen yet. So why don't we take a peek at the colors, David, and then I'll kind of tour around and we can show all the different uses.
We do indeed. And Tara, I wanted to get you in to say hello to you because if I went through all the colors, then it would be another probably 5 minutes before we saw you. All right, we've got lots for you to choose from. Bear in mind that over half our quantity is already gone, and we feature this on Wednesday night with over 11,000 ordered since that time. Okay? So in floral lace, I've got this in the taupe. $250 left here. Here is your inky cobalt blue, $450. Cranberry, $500. I've got it in gray, $500. Here it is in black, $550. And here's floral lace in the red. Fewer than 700. Now let's go Old World. Old World green, which started it all. Fewer than 200. Here's Old World red, 200. Old World black, $250. This is the taupe, $275. Confetti, $250. Blue, $300. And finally the gray, $400. Up top in woodland, I've got gray, $350. Here's, sorry, $350. Taupe, $250. Now the seasonals, Tara. Here's holiday, harvest, $150 in the harvest, and boo.
Fetty.
Fetty. Boo Fetty. 300 of these remain. 600 now ordered in this show. Let's make our way back over to the table. Tara, when I first heard about this crock, I had not seen it. And I thought to myself, great, a utensil crock, that's useful. And then someone said, no, have you seen the size of it? And when I saw it in person, I was like, oh, wait, there's a whole lot more. When we presented this on Wednesday night, I think the last thing we showed was utensils. We showed everything else you can do with this. This is really a good size. Talk to us about measurements. Let's get busy. Let's dive in.
Yeah, and it's all about that great silhouette too, David. This is a David-sized crock, right? That's what we were teasing on Wednesday night. But we call it the Store and More because there's so much more to do than just house all of your utensils, which of course is fantastic. The opening itself is about 7 inches, so David actually has chili there. He can actually bake in this. It's your same stoneware that you love, so it still goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. Those offset helper handles there just add to making it easy to take it in and out of the oven if you wanted to, in and out of the microwave if it fits. But it's that nice opening of about 7 inches on top that gives you the ability to do things like punches in here. Use it, as, of course, as an ice bucket if you wanted to. I love it just for flowers, whether you want to go ahead and do, oopsie, I'm dropping things. If you want to go ahead and do your beautiful flowers or even mums from your store, you can do that. But look how beautiful. This is your harvest centerpiece now that you can keep out all throughout the fall.
Hey, Tara, that harvest you have in your hands, the reason it was jumping all over the place is because it's sold out. It's gone.
Oh, no.
So take your harvest away. And let's remind everyone that these are all going quickly. I should also, and Tara, I think I can be safe in saying this, if we sell out of any colors, I don't believe we're going to see this back before Christmas, are we?
With all of the shipping delays and everything we have going on, I don't think so. And definitely not harvest. The seasonals are just for this time.
Yeah, the seasonals won't be back at all. These are shipping the week of September 27th. So plenty of time for your harvest entertaining as well as your holiday celebrating. And how many are gone now? 1,700 in this show. and I have 1,200 customers on the phone lines.
Wow.
Now, we talked about using this as a punch bowl or maybe some mulled cider. Now, I've got your 18-ounce mug from your soup and sandwich set here, which would be the perfect choice to go ahead and get some mulled apple cider in here, not to mention some cranberries and orange slices. Oh, this is perfect.
Because you have that nice opening, David, you can put things in there like beautiful cut up fruit. You could have sangria inside here as well. And at the end of the day, it's also perfect for sitting next to the side of your stove where you're going to keep your tongs and your spatulas and your spoons, all of those pieces. And by the way, they seem to like continue to grow and grow and grow. And so it's nice to have a nice big space to put all of those pieces, and then you can just grab them. They're at the ready, which is fantastic. So your spurtles, all of the different sizes, the pieces that we have over at Temp-tations at QVC.com, and even our tongs and bigger pieces that you can't always fit in those traditional small crock. Look how great this is. Beautiful enough to leave out, but so much versatile. If you're using it for your wines and you're using it as an ice bucket, we just put a little ice in here and did that. So now it's a little wine bucket.
Over 13,000 now ordered since Wednesday. 2,400 in this show, and let's go through colors again one more time. This is floral lace in the taupe, $150. Here's the blue, $250. Cranberry, $400. Gray, $450. The black, $450. And the red, $500. Old World, here's your green. 5 dozen, all I have remaining. Red,
wow,
$175. Black, $180. The taupe, $240. The confetti, $130. The blue, $230. And the gray, $330. Now up top, woodland, I have gray, $250. Here is the taupe, $130. Only 2 seasonal patterns remain. Oh, I'm told only one now. Holiday is the only one left, because Boo-fetti has sold out.
Boo-fetti.
So Boo-fetti is gone, but we have holiday remaining, and that has the beautiful applique of the tree, the sleigh and presents, and that same artwork is on the other side as well. 3,000 now ordered in this show, Tara, and that's 14,000 just since Wednesday. Shipping on September 27th, and that means we now have only about 5,000 remaining until these are gone. Don't miss out on this opportunity. We're very, very busy. Let's also update you on something that is limited. Now, we're not going to have time